Thanks for tuning in for another Essential RC flight test, and here we have the new A-1 Skyraider. Really easy to put together, it's just assembly. All the electronics are in and the control surfaces are already hooked up to the servos. You literally have to glue in the horizontal stabiliser, screw on the wing, put in your receiver, connect that up to the cables for the servos, put on the prop on the front, and then glue on all of these lovely bombs underneath. The interesting thing with this is that it comes with a flight stabilisation system, beginner and expert modes. So we will try that out. Put it turned on. Sorry, Al?
Have you put it on, Dom?
It's on beginner mode at the moment. That's why you can hear it.
Yeah.
That's why you can hear it. So we'll try it in that mode and then we'll try advanced. So I think advanced just interferes less. Beginner does correct quite a lot. I think that's the idea, but it's supposed to make it easier to fly. I forgot about putting the landing gear in, fixed landing gear on this, not retracts, and you just push them in and then there's one screw to secure them. Simple as that. So let's fly it. Let's see how it goes. Steerable tail wheel, did I mention that?
No, that's good.
For easy ground control. So that is full roll on the stick. So it is limiting what I can do. It's not allowing me to roll inverted.
I noticed when you turned it over, Dom, to show us the bombs, that it did something funny with probably the elevator. It looked like it was trying to self-correct, so if it gets inverted...
Yeah, it won't let me fly, it won't let me turn inverted. Simple as that.
And that's in beginner mode.
This is in beginner mode. Alright, so let's flick it into expert mode, and immediately it's given me a lot more control, can bank a lot more. Yeah, so it's unlocked the ability to fly inverted, but it's still stabilised, I can feel that. So you can see it kind of correcting for the turbulence. But it flies nice and stable and slow. You can tell as you get more confident with it, you can fly in a tighter space. So that's pretty good. That leaves it fairly wide open. There you go, A-1 Skyraider from our friends at hobbyking.com. That stabilisation system really works well in beginner mode. It makes it super stable, doesn't allow you to fly inverted or do loops or anything like that. But then you switch it to expert mode, it allows you to do the aerobatics, but it's still really stabilised, and you can see I can fly it in quite a tight space. So nice little plane, scale, with all that detail to have on the passenger seat of your car. So thanks to Hobby King for sending us this one, thanks to Al on camera. The link is in the video description. We'll see you for the next one.